Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Rachel and today I'll be giving you a tour of our minimalist apartment. We are a family of 4. We live in a 2-bedroom apartment. We've been here for 4 years and I think our apartment's about 800 to 850 square feet. So it is a small space with 1 bathroom. We are moving out of the city. Next week we're moving 2 hours away to a small town. We have found a little 2-bedroom house there with 2 bathrooms and a finished basement. So it's a lot more space than we're used to having. Still a small space compared to most. I really wanted to film this apartment tour before I move because a lot of you have requested this video in the past and I've been saying I'm going to film it, so finally getting around to it now. If you've been following along with me, you'll notice I haven't made videos in a few weeks. I apologize for that. It's just been a really stressful season of life with house hunting. It took us a long time to actually find a place. We ended up finding at the very last minute and now we are moving next week. So I won't have a video for you next week, but I'll be back in 2 weeks with my fall winter capsule wardrobe, a fall lookbook and more. So be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see those. Okay, now on to the tour. I hope you enjoy and thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you back here in a couple weeks. Bye. Okay, so here we have the front hall closet. There's our washing machine, which is portable. It hooks up to the kitchen sink, and then I've got our seasonal coats and our shoes hanging to have more storage space. And then I usually hang my aprons here and then my kids' backpacks, and that all goes away into the closet. And then here we have a Galley Kitchen. So fridge, dishes drying in the sink. It is quite small, the Galley Kitchen. As you can see, there's not a lot of counter space, so I use this butcher block where I've got a fruit bowl, our water filter, and down below we've got cookbooks. And I usually keep my cloth napkins there, but they're all in the wash right now. And the dining room is over here. So there's the table, and we have a chest freezer in the corner. They're definitely not ideal, but it makes such a difference with meal planning and stuff and making freezer meals, so we have that. And then all of our Wi-Fi stuff, modems up there. And this is the living room. So I'll go in here. My husband plays the ukulele, so they're on the wall. This shelf thing, we used to have a big desk where the freezer was. It took up so much room and it was just a massive clutter magnet, so we replaced it with this shelf, and the laptop's up there. We always use it at the kitchen table anyway. And we have a little picture wall, the couch, and let's see. Here is the full length. There is the TV and some storage for books and toys. Also at the front door I've got those storage bench. They're little storage blocks actually, so we keep all of our hats and mitts, all our seasonal stuff in one, and my reusable shopping bags in the other. And this little corner is just kind of a reading corner. We've got some chairs and a lamp and a little side table. So that is it for the living room. There's the other point of view. Okay, and then there's this hallway. This is a storage closet, which I won't show you because it's a disaster for the move. Here's our one bathroom. It's probably tiniest bathroom ever. So we are excited to have more than one bathroom. And my room's right here, a linen closet here, and my kids' room, which you have seen before probably on other videos. Yeah, they share a room still. So there is their dresser with piggy banks, a Lego table over there, and then here is an easel, and then a little bookshelf with books and the rest of their toys. I've already kind of cleaned out their closet for the move, so I won't show you that, but yeah. And this is our room. And I film my videos in here, so I think that's the angle you would usually see. Window. And on the other side, the closet, which, yeah, you have seen before as well.